तिमी त मेरो जिन्दगी जिउने आधार हौ, मेरो परिवारलाई बाँधेर राख्ने कसिलो डोर हौ। Happy birthday to the bestest wifey, super mom of मेरो मुटुको टुक्राहरू। Happy birthday from Sayan Chora. Sayan loves you. Happy birthday from Sabini Chori. Sabini loves you a lot, but Deepa Mummy is our favorite. Happy birthday to our bestest sister. We love you. Happy birthday to the one who loves her friends, her family. Never in my life I have witnessed a friend as loyal as you. You are the best, the kindest, the truest, the sweetest, the most loyal, the most caring, the most loving friend one could ever have. You have taught me to love and be kind even in the hardest time, and shown me that family goes beyond just blood. Happiest birthday to the one who holds our family together. You are the love, the trust, and the strength of our family. You are the first chapter in the story of our family, and the one who completes us in the most beautiful way. तिमी छौ र त मेरो परिवारमा खुसी छ, तिमी छौ र मेरो परिवारमा हाँसो छ, तिमी छौ र मेरो परिवार छ, मेरो प्यारी दिदी।
छोड्न भाइ आपेक्षित मेकअप सबै बिग्रियो।
ड्याडीले त गजब डान्स गर्नुभएको थियो ड्याडी
You wear, you are, you always remain. Thank you for doing everything to me. My whole life is dedicated to making you happy. You are my whole universe and I love you.
दीक्षा दिदी दिदी भन्ने शब्द कसैले लेख्छ? दिदी
दिदी त मेरो भगवान, मेरो आमा।
समय टेके मैले तिमी टेक्नु धुरी सके जति छेकी दिउँला घाम आदि हुरी पाखुरीमा तागत रहेसम्म बोकी हिँड्छु हालेर